Hello everyone. This channel provides the latest information on the Three Gorges Dam. If you are interested, please subscribe to our channel. The world is paying attention to the dam. At 8 a.m. local time on August 23, the water level of the Three Gorges Dam is 145.47 meters. Compared to the water level on August 19, it has fallen about 50 centimeters. This time last year, the water level was 146.80 meters, so this year's situation is lower. Looking at the reservoir side of the dam, the water level is around here. I checked the discharge of the Three Gorges Dam at 9 a.m. this morning and it was 10,200 cubic meters per second. Judging from this situation, it is estimated that the power generation situation is 34%. Although it is a simple calculation, it is possible that there are around 11 turbines in operation. This is the discharge scene of Amagaze Dam in Kyoto, Japan. Previously, when I filmed the video, the discharge rate was around 200 cubic meters per second. And this is the image I took on August 21st, and the amount of discharge is about 660 cubic meters per second. This morning's discharge from the Three Gorges Dam is likely to be about 15 times this amount. As reported on this channel, the downstream area of the Three Gorges Dam is experiencing an abnormal drop in water level. Let's take a closer look at what it actually feels like. This time, I will take a look at a place called Poyong Lake. On the map, it will be around here. Located downstream of Wuhan, it is a large lake connected to the Yangtze River. This is a picture of Poyong Lake. The left is September 3 of last year, and the right is August 19 of this year, which is a satellite image of Sentinel. You can confirm that both are in the same place in the part surrounded by yellow. Please pay attention to the white circle. Last year there was plenty of water, but this year you can see the bottom of the lake. Also, this is the part that flows into the Yangtze River, but the aspect is completely different. Things like white sand can be seen everywhere, and the water level is going down considerably.
NISHIYAN channel.
Now, in the Yangtze River basin, an abnormal water level drop is occurring. And in order to alleviate this, they increased the outflow at the Three Gorges Dam. The period was from August 16 to 20. I made a graph to see how it actually changed. This is the situation on the 15th. They are increasing the discharge at night to bring the peak. And here is the graph on the 17th during the implementation period. They are increasing the amount of discharge, albeit slightly. In addition, please see the graph for the 21st after the period ended. Obviously, they are restricting the amount of discharge, so it is certain that they increased it during the period as announced. However, its effectiveness is highly questionable. Rather than saying that they have reduced the amount of water released, I think their true intention is that they are running out of water to release. Various problems have been pointed out at the Three Gorges Dam, as covered in this channel. They don't mention any of the potential concerns I have, such as the climate impact, the large amount of trash, the negative impact on the ecosystem, and the persistent sand problem. They claim that the dam is operating safely, but I doubt it. The annual precipitation around the Three Gorges Dam is as follows. Although it is August, there is little rain this year. As you know, Europe is experiencing a heatwave, and the same is going on in central China. As far as this channel has investigated, the area covered by the Three Gorges Dam is the red line. Check the weather forecast in Windy. In the near future, it is predicted that there will be no rain around the Three Gorges Dam. Focusing on the south, a typhoon has formed near the Philippines and is moving north. There will be no direct damage, but the typhoon may stimulate the formation of rain clouds. It seems that there will be little rain in the second half of August, but I would like to keep an eye on it in the future. Looking at the movement of rain clouds, clouds are steadily occurring from the southwestern part of the dam, and heavy rain is occurring upstream of the Three Gorges Dam. In addition, moist air will flow from the west and the two clouds will collide, causing more rain. It's a typical pattern of heavy rain. However, this pattern has not occurred at all this year. Dams have the problem of accumulating sand. This is a common issue not only for the Three Gorges Dam but also for dams. When the speed of water flow slows down due to the construction of the dam, the sand will settle and the bottom will rise steadily. Before the construction of the Three Gorges Dam, the following was mentioned as a slogan of the Communist Party for this sedimentation problem. First of all, they are pushing for tree planting. The idea is to prevent water and sediment from flowing out due to unplanned logging. It is uncertain how much the tree planting project has recovered the logging. And upstream dam construction. Regarding this, it may be as planned in terms of building a lot of dams in preparation for clean energy and increasing energy consumption. However, its effectiveness is questionable. If they build a dam in the mainstream, the speed of water flow will become slower and slower. More sand will accumulate. And it is a policy to flush mud at once. They say that if you collect clean water and flush it a lot during the flood season, the mud will be solved together. Suddenly unbelievable things seem to be common at that time. The theory is the opposite of the original purpose of collecting water and controlling floods during the flood season. It is bankrupt. And it is dredging. As far as I can see the camera near the Three Gorges Dam, I can't see the image of saving the bottom of the dam with a large device, but is it really done? I don't know if the camera isn't visible and it's dredging a little upstream. In this way, they lined up the measures, saying that it's okay, rest assured. But that's only the fact that the dam is being built. I think it's just putting off the problem. The back of the dam is full of holes. The back of the dam is under the water, so it's hard to know what's going on. According to this channel research, it seems that there are 103 in total. There are 22 crest gates in the discharge facility located in the center of the dam. 23 for regular spillways. And there are 22 holes to drain mud. In addition, there are 2 holes on the left and right for expelling dust such as driftwood. 69 in total so far. Also, there are 34 intakes that take in water for hydroelectric power generation. Therefore, there are a total of 103 behind the dam. I tried to summarize the petite information of the Three Gorges Dam. This video is a popular video that has been played over 100,000 times, so please enjoy it. The URL is listed in the summary section. Already, the water level is almost full. It was rumored that heavy rains would continue last year and the dam would collapse, but this year it seems to be more peaceful. However, it is necessary to pay attention to the future rain situation. We will continue to provide you with the latest information, so please subscribe to our channel.